In this video, I will show you pieces of jewelry that I made as demonstration pieces while I was teaching jewelry making. This leaf is from advanced soldering class. We are of course learning how to set stones, oval stone, square or rectangle stone. In reticulation class, you can learn reticulation. That's a beautiful technique, reticulation. And in next class, I was using reticulated piece to make a locket and show how to make a locket to my students. A ring like this is also from advanced soldering class. I was also teaching engraving, so this butterfly is engraved. We of course make a variety of chains. Those pieces are carved in wax and cast, called connections. Those pieces are riveted, there is no soldering there. Just another square set stone. I was teaching a fancy class with fancy clasps. So as you see, there is no clasp on this necklace. That's because this piece is a clasp by itself. And of course, you can learn how to solder different metals together. Here is copper and silver. This ring was very popular. It's also reticulation together with granulation. That's my favorite ring. This owl is carved in wax and then engraved. There are many other things that we were making in classes that I was teaching, but that's just a few examples. If you're interested in my classes, check my website. There is a page with class descriptions. Some classes, it's just one session and you can get started. So send me a message if you're interested, and see you then.